I've spent the day pretty much scouring crypto Twitter, crypto YouTube, researching plays, and there's nothing really going on right now. It seems like everything's stalled out because of the Clarity Act that was again postponed. The whole thing is just really starting to give me the blues. It's got me a little bit discouraged, not in the sense of I'm getting out of crypto or I'm not dollar cost averaging. I just bought some more XRP today, and I will be eyeing that to see if I can get in again before the weekend is out. The thing is, though, there's just nothing happening. And I think that, you can lose sight that this is the time that you need to stay bullish, that this is the time that you need to be buying. And people are just on the sidelines, man. There's trillions of dollars on the sidelines waiting for clarity to go through. I can play this clip for you here real quick. Let's check this out.
Repricing would be in order for Ripple if we do get clarity through, especially around this whole Section 205.
I do. And, nothing is guaranteed, of course. But look, I would say that the ETF products for XRP have been very popular. Our XRP product, these products are seeing lots of demand. I think some investors are looking ahead to clarity and kind of asking what it means to unlock a further value in these networks. I think we would see a pricing across a range of assets, certainly including XRP. And in the specific instance of this blockchain, I do think clarifying some of the questions around the long-term supply outlook, what happens to all of those tokens, can help unlock value. If you were to, reduce the future inflation of the XRP token, I think that would have some positive effect on.
Oh, huge, yes.
So if XRP gets repriced, do you think it goes up or do you think it goes down? Let me know your thoughts on that. So, of course, Michael Saylor's bullish. He's always buying. Let's see what he says right here. Check this out.
I'm thinking that the next $50 billion won't get me 3.2. It'll probably get me 1% or less. And I'm thinking if I come up with a few $100 billion, I might, what I've said is if we get to 5% of the network, Bitcoin's going to be $1 million a coin. If I get to 7.5% of the network, it'll be 10 million a coin. So think of it as I'm buying something getting exponentially more expensive, using exponentially more money. And where do we top out? I think we top out between 5 and 7.5%, and then we just exponentially slow down.
Michael Saylor's bullish. Cathie Woods is also bullish. Check this out.
And today there's extreme fear, and there are some reasons. Understand that, but I believe, and this is going to fit into what Tom just said. I believe the market, when we look back, maybe at the end of this year, is going to be characterized as climbing a wall of worry. And of course, now with the war, there is another reason. There are another few bricks being put into that wall. This is a really good time to pick up on stocks that might be more volatile.
So while crypto's been trading sideways, I've really been packing my bags over there on Robinhood and my stocks, definitely packing out my retirement. I'm just putting the money to work, man. Every dollar is a soldier that should be working for you. Definitely not sitting back while everything's trading sideways. I'm taking advantage. XRP is at a very good buy price for me, so I'm definitely packing that. Taking advantage of Solana being under $100. Anything under 100 is a win for me. I bought some more VTI, definitely bought some more QQQI. I definitely bought some more SCHD. Packing them dividend bags. We're just going to see what happens, man. Everything's just so dead right now, and it's really, man, it's just kind of discouraging. What are you guys doing in your portfolios? Are you in crypto? Are you in stocks? Are you in both? What's your portfolio looking like? Guys, I need help, man. Somebody give me some encouraging news. Leave a comment down below if you know of anything that's happening that I missed. It seems like there's just nothing going on. I hope you guys are packing your bags. I hope you guys are encouraged. We're going to run. I just don't know when. And until then, I'm just positioning myself to check as many boxes as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Consider giving me a like and a subscribe. That really helps the channel grow. Until then, I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.